Mitram and Bandhuvam. Welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy. At South Asia Maps, your presenter Dr. J. Reddy will bring you in the iconographic form, in the form of maps, pictures, images, varied, diverse knowledge fields, Indology to human ecology, geography, culture, history, heritage, wars, battles, treaties, and so on. Today we are continuing our RayalaSeema series, part 27. RayalaSeema is the historical region of Madras Presidency, Deccan, South India, today in Andhra Pradesh, also called Ceded districts. Previously, we have identified 23 geographic regions, physiographic regions. We are talking about the 22nd Hagari river basin. The advantage of looking geographic, physiographic regions is, Mitro, that will give you a deeper understanding how history, society is molded. It's essentially the habitat, the land, the mountains, the rivers, plateaus, peneplains, and so on. Mitram, if you are new to our education channel, you can go and explore. There are more than 400 immaculately made presentations you can explore, and that is at YouTube channel South Asia Maps JRD. As of 2023 April, you have more than 400 videos. And we are talking about this fascinating region called RayalaSeema. Royals are kings, Seema is the land of kings are Rajus or Kshatriyas. The appellation is used for Vijayanagara emperors, Sangamas, Saluvas, Tuluvas, Aravidu kings, 4 dynasties. It is the land of Vijayanagara emperors, that is the remnant of the grandeur of Vijayanagara Empire. Famous for Rajarsi Krishnadevaraya, who passed away 1529, almost the same time like a Central Asian invader from Fargana region, today's Uzbekistan, Mughal Babar. And we are looking at this Hagari Vedavathi river basin today. And this is the political map. You can see these 4 districts. This is the Pulicat Lake, Madras city as your landmark, Baramahal region, that is the Salem, Namakkal, Dharmapuri, Krishnagiri, Arakatu region, and Chengalpattu. These 4 districts are RayalaSeema, Telugu speaking districts. This is the Sarkar region or Coromandel region. Kurnool, Kadapa, Chittoor, Anantapur, 4, and bilingual Bellary district used to be RayalaSeema region for long back. It was given to Wadayar territory, later become Karnataka province today. And you see, this is the topographical map. The green areas are around below 300 meters, green, light green, yellow and dark red are more than 300 meters. So this is the Tungabhadra river, Hospeta dam, Krishna river. This is the Hagari river, flows on the western part. It cuts a narrow valley in the RayalaSeema upland regions called Peneplain, means almost plain, that is north of Penna river, Pinakini river. This is the Penna river. You can see here. This part is the Hagari. The part on the west side of Hagari are predominantly Kanekallu Taluk and Rayadurgam Taluk. East you can see Kalyanadurgam Taluk and Kambadur Taluk. This is the Madakasira Taluk. This is the Pavagada Taluk, that is in the Tumukuru district a former Wadayar territory, now in the Mysore region of Karnataka. So this part we are talking about. Politically, you can see the same thing here we are talking about. You see why the river boundary is drawn like that, Taluk boundary, because west of this is the Hagari Basin. That's why if you know the geography, you can understand lot of things. So you can see Rayadurgam Taluk here, Kanekal Taluk here, Kalyanadurgam Taluk here, Kambadur Taluk, Madakasira here, and I am showing the Pavagada here. And the river goes from here, touches near Alur, Adoni, and joins Tungabhadra here, Sirigupa. So this is the Bellary district. So what are the regions that are adjoining to that? Is very easy to look at here itself. RayalaSeema Peneplain, the east, the west is essentially Tungabhadra Valley, and further this is the region is called Karnataka Maidan or RayalaSeema or Karnataka Plateau region. And this is the one, this is the Tungabhadra river, this is the, and further we have, this is the Madaksira hills, Pavagada hills, Mudugiri hills will be here, Tumkur hills will be here, and further the Bangalore Plateau region. And Sandur hills overlooking the Tungabhadra Hospet Dam will be here. So I will show you the other map where you can get those things very easily. So those are the, and we are just reiterating here, I have written so that you can see the spellings and further details. Hagari river, Vedavathi river, river borders, northern part Tungabhadra river, Basin, Raichur Doab, southern part Madhugiri hills, Madaksira hills, Pavagada hills, eastern part is RayalaSeema Peneplain, that is the Upland region, RayalaSeema. Further west is Chitradurga hills, Sandur hills, and Bangalore Plateau. And we'll see these regions much more clearly. So this is the region we are talking about. Again, this is the RayalaSeema Upland Peneplain. This is the Kundu Nandyal Valley, Krishna River. That means this is the Narayanpur Reservoir, Basavasagar. This is the Almaty here. This is the Hospeta. You can see this dark blue region, that is the river, Hagari Vedavathi. We will see the same river. I have put it little more detail so that you can see that. So we start our landmarks. This is the Hospeta Reservoir. This is the Srisalam Reservoir, Almaty Reservoir. This the red lines are the railway tracks, railway lines. So this is the Guntakal junction. This is the Bellary junction. Bellary junction to Rayadurg. That is the Rayadurg is the terminus. This is the Sandur hills, the Hospeta dam. Remember, this is the Guntakal, this is the Adoni. Adoni, this is the Sirigupa. You can see the Sirigupa. I will expand here. The river joins Tungabhadra to Sirigupa. So this is the river, Hagari river. This is the Bellary town. This is the Rayadurgam town. And this is the river, you can see the river. Yeah, this is the Hagari river. This is the Sirigupa. This is the Adoni. Sirigupa, Sindanuru in the Raichur Doab. And we'll travel further south. This is the Bairavani Tippa, at which it comes into Anantapur district, Bairavani Tippa. And other landmark we can see is the Vani Vilasa Sagar. This is the Vani Vilasa Sagar. You can see this is the Vani Vilasa Sagar. This is the Chitradurga district, Chitradurga mountains. Vani Vilasa Sannidhanam was the Rajmata, who was officiating as a regent for Nalavadi Krishnaraja Wadayar of princely state of Hyderabad, Rajasi Krishnaraja Wadayar, who ruled around about 1896 to 40. He is a very popular, and Gandhiji called him Rajasi, saintly king of modern times. So this is the reservoir is named after Vani Vilasa Sannidhanam. So this is the Baba Budangiri mountain hills. That means this is the Tungabhadra. This is the Bhadra reservoir. That means that is the Bhadravati. This is the Shimoga. So, Gajanur reservoir. That one. From our perspective, the river. This is the Arsikeri that goes to the Hasan here. Arsikeri. Sorry, this is Arsikeri. This is the Hasan. This is the Bejur. That is the Kadur and Berur. This is the Chikjejur. This is the Chikjejur junction goes to, from there you can take a train to Chitradurga. That's the Chitradurga district. So from Chikkamangaluru, Kaduru, Beruru, this is the Vani Vilasa Sannidhana near Hirur. Then Bhairavani, Tippa enters into Telugu speaking territories and goes on the Hagari between Bellary on the west, Guntakal on the east, joins its mouth Tungabhadra river at Siriguppa. So the river is in the Siriguppa. We can see Siriguppa. The river joins there in the Siriguppa. And where is the river? This is the river. You can see the river here. Siriguppa. That's the river. It goes east of Rayadurgam. Rayadurgam is on the mountain region, so Rayadurgam. And Bhairavani Tippa will be somewhere here. Bhairavani Tippa reservoir here. Kalyan Durgam and Kambaduri is on the east side of the river. So, further south you can see Vani Vilas reservoir near Hosh Durga. This is Heriur. And further south you can see Baba Budan Hills, Giri Hills near Chikkamangaluru, Kaduru and Beruru and so on. The river goes there. So you can see the river, fascinating river. What are we looking here? We are looking at Chitradurga district. You can see this is the Hirur, this is the Vani Vilasa Sannidhana, named after the Rajmata, Vani Vilasa Sannidhana, Vani Vilasa reservoir. And other district you can see in the Anantapuram district, you can see in the Anantapuram, Rayadurgam means east, the river. This is the Bhairavani Tippa reservoir. Between Rayadurgam, Kanekal will be here, Kalyanadurgam will be here. You can see the river here. And goes further, joins the somewhere here, Sirigupata. That is about the river. And here the Radcliffe time, the map, the political map. The important things you have to remember is the Bellary district boundaries are different. This the Kurnool district, this the Emiganuru, Adoni are here, and Kanekalu, Rayadurgam. At that time, Bellary district has these 4 taluks. In 1953, when Telugu state, Andhra state was formed from Madras Presidency, after nearly 50 days fast and death of a popular Congress leader called Sri Ramulu, and Bellary district, some parts were given to Vadayar territory. That's why the district is different. This part is Kanekal, this is Rayadurgam. This part is Emiganuru, this is Adoni. So, Emiganuru, Adoni given to Kurnool district, Kanekal and Rayadurgam were given to Anantapur district. That's why the district map is a little different. This is the princely state of Banganpalli, Kurnool district, princely state of Sandur in Bellary district. These are enclaves, means a sort of semi-sovereign dependencies within other political organization state called Madras Presidency at that time. So that is about fascinating Hagari river, Vedavathi river that originates on the east side of Baba Budan Giri mountains in the close to the Malnad region of Karnataka, former Mysore princely state, Vadayar state. We looked at it. Mitra and Bandhu, if you like these presentations, please consider in bringing to the notice of your friends and subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in the next presentation. That will be the Sagileru river basin between between Nallamala River mountains on the west, Velikonda mountains on the east, 23. We'll look at later. Thank you very much. See you later.